Hi everyone and welcome back to RC today for gearbest.com. Sandrine from Gearbest, she sent me this Cessna and wondered if I could do a review of it, and of course I could do that. The deal is only RC related equipment, and this 3-channel little indoor Cessna felt in my test, so I just wanted to test it. It's of course 3-channel, and that is for me much more difficult than for a beginner to try, so I'm going to give it a try and give it a shot anyway. As you can see, it's a 4-channel radio that comes with the plane, and it has 2 settings, one for hard flying and one for normal flying. And of course when you switch the radio on, it goes on the normal flying, not the hard flying. And with the switch here, you will change to high and back to normal. So high and low rates, of course. It's now in low rate. And my beautiful wife Elna is filming. Anyway, the low rates didn't give me any much rudder authority, so I'm going to go for the high and see if we can get it into the airfield. There's a bit wind here today, not much, but fair enough to fly in. Okay, more responsive. It's great. Beautiful. One more launch. As you can see, she works a bit with the wind, and that's okay. Almost. We have to do it. Okay. It's a bit too windy. Oh, almost. Let's take it in. Almost again. So if you want a small easy plane to start with for a really cheap buck, then go to Gearbest and order yourself a mini Cessna. Then you have a lot of fun. Thank you.